Hi guys! Welcome back to another Minecraft video. It's Supernova here and I'm gonna teaching you how to create or make a piston door horizontal version. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you how it works. And here's the good thing and the bad thing about it. Good thing, it can easily adapt to the environment. I'm gonna show you how it can adapt to the environment easily. And the bad thing is it is not compact. And we're gonna jump to the tutorial. Now I'm gonna make that piston door. This is what it looks like. And it is like this. And you need to dig down 4x4. And oh, sorry for the lag. It is like that. Like this. And it just gonna connect the redstone connection. Oh, wrong. It is not nice. Um, like this. You're gonna need sa redstone repeater. And just put a lever here and just dig. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more, and stay tuned always. And let's see if it gonna works. As you can see, it's not compact, but oh, wrong. Sorry. That, like that. As you can see, it works. Just sorry for lag, because Minecraft PE is lagging now. And I'm gonna show you how it will adapt to the environment. So like this. um like this. And just need to block the viewing area that can be seen, the area that can be seen. You just need to block it with blocks in the environment, so it look like it's it's the natural environment. Sorry for the notifications. Oh, I broke it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for the notifications. And oh, not like that, but oh, I need to put like that. It is not like this, not this. So just block this. So guys, as you can see, it is now looking natural, and the liver is also looking good. I just need to change this this blue wool to grass, so it will look like just your environment. And done. As you can see, if I flick this lever, it will open an area here, and you can make whatever you want, in here. Just make what you want, like that. So as you can see, if you like to protect your house from intruders or players that destroy your home or steal your items, just make as I make, like this. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like, and subscribe to It's Supernova, my channel now, and stay tuned for more Redstone videos, and check out my playlist of survival series, and I'm gonna upload this Saturday. So bye guys, that's all. Thanks.